Hi, in this video today I'm going to show you how you can set up a pin on your Kindle. So what we have to do is you're going to be swiping down from the top and then you're going to be going to all settings. If you're already in the home screen, you can press the three little dots on the top right hand corner. And you're going to want to go to device options. And you want to go to privacy and security. And then you want to go to device pin. Now, it must be at least 4 digits, it can be more. It can't be a series of numbers, for example 1, 2, 3, 4, it won't work if you do that. Or it can't be a repeating number like 1, 1, 1, 1 or 2, 2, 2, 2. So we're going to enter in a pin here, so I'm just going to go 0, 1, 0, 1, and then I've got to confirm my pin, 0, 1, 0, 1, and then that is it. Just hit this little black bit there. And the pin has now been saved. So if we were to put our Kindle to sleep, and then if we were to try to open it up, you can see now it's asking for the passcode. And if I was to enter in the wrong passcode, it doesn't give me access to it. 0, 1, 0, 1 will give me access. So that's it. That's how to set up a pin on your Kindle. Thanks for watching.